Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In this episode, we discuss how the mortgage approval process works step by step and how to get approved faster. Get your free infographic guide. Here you will find your guidance from Capital Fortune. This is the most important website to apply for the mortgage loan. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce you what we are talking about in this video. About this video, thinking about or ready to get a mortgage approval. What are the steps involved? What do you need the step involved? What do you need to prepare? In this episode, we discuss how the mortgage approval works and the steps involved through the home buying process. We also explore mortgage approval requirement, including the 5 C's of credits that the bank or lender use. Finally, we'll talk about mortgage approval impact to credit score, how long it takes to get approval, and questions to ask your lender. So, without wasting our time, let's get started. Here we'll put you will go down. Okay, scroll down. Here you will put your name, for example, Alvin, surname, or tile, any email address, alvinhortile@gmail.com, your phone number, and here we'll put the inquiry what we are looking for. Guide me how to get approval for mortgage loan. Click this button and send inquiry. Once you send the inquiry, you will see these part of the steps: convincing, removals, surveyors, and credit report. Okay, so let's start from convincing. Here you will tell us, I would like to compare quotes for sale and purchase, purchase only, sale only, remortgage. If you want to sell, just say purchase only. Property address, you will put your address here. Agreed or purchased, freehold, yes or no. Okay, then I will go back, and here is the second part is removal. In removal, you will select how many type of beds you want in your room: 1 bed, flat, 2 flat, 2 bed, 3 bed, 4 bed. Let's say we apply for 3 bed. Then you will put your postcode, property address, estimated moving date, in which date you want to move, and here in special instructions, your details, your name, your email address, your phone number, and get my codes. Then we'll go back. The third is surveyor. Then surveyor will come, he will see, he will survey what kind of property do you want. Then you will put here your property address, your property value, level 2 survey, home buyer report, level 3 surveyor, building surveyor, and so on. And the same thing is, by completing this form, your details are shared with up to 4 firms providing the codes, but absolutely no else. Who wants spam you? You will put your name, your address, and your phone numbers, and you will get the code. So here we will go back. The last step is credit report. Okay, in credit report, you have to tell you property address, value of property, levels, special instructions, your details, and get codes. Viewers, hope you enjoy my video. If you have any query, you can ask me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thank you so much.